Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rifki Al-Malaki. This is my description. Number 1. This is article about a game. This article provides an overview of computer software and instructional strategies intended to engage young people in making computer games to achieve a variety of education goals. It briefly describes the most popular of such programs and comparing their key features, including the kind of game that can be created with the software, the types of communities and resources that are associated with a program, climate from learning outcomes resulting from us of the software, and the result of empirical research, if any, on the application and outcome of the software in formal and informal education setting. Okay, feeding is existing software and education application stress the goal of teaching users about computer programming and placing little or no emphasis on teaching concepts related to game design. It concludes this by discussing the potential value of applying exception to design thinking as goal of game making education. Number 2. Animal. The animal I will describe is an elephant. The elephant are herbivores and eat all types of vegetation such as grasses, leaves, and fruits. They have almost hairless skin, fur-like, and a distinctive long, flexible, prehensile trunk. The elephant which is also known as the leader of island mouse usually live in groups consisting of the female elephant. As the leader of the group, their children and their relative female elephant. The elephant also have very sharp audition because they have big and with by this ears they can hear sound from a distance about 10 km. At the back of the ears, they have one of the softest part of their body which are called the knuckle. In a zoo, mahout elephant tear as the fed to state or give command to the animal via that knuckle. Now they are a kind of protection animal because their population remain little in their habitat. The population began to decline year by year. Number 3. Movie. Film, also called movie, motion picture or moving picture, is a visual art from used to simulate experience that communicate ideas, stories, perception, feeling, beauty, or atmosphere through the use of moving image. These images are generally accompanied by sound and rarely other sensory stimulation. The word cinema, short from cinematography, is often used to refer to filmmaking and the film industry and to the art form that is the rules of it. The moving image of a film are created by photography actual scans with a motion picture camera by photographing, driving, or miniature model using traditional animation techniques. By means of CGI and computer animation, or by a combination of some or all of these techniques and other visual effects. Traditional film were recorded onto solid film stock through a photochemical process and then shown through a movie projector onto a large screen. Contemporary films are often fully digital through the entry process of production. Distribution and exhibition will film recorded and a photo-semi-channel from traditional included an analogous optical soundtrack. Film are cultural artifacts as created by specific culture. They reflect the culture and is drawn after them. Film is considered to be an important form, a sort of popular entertainment and a powerful medium for education or indoctrination citizens. The visual basic of film given it a universal power of communication. Some films have become popular widely attraction through the use of dubbing or subtitle to translate the dialogue into other language. Number 4. Music. Music is an art form and a cultural activity whose medium is a general division of music include common elements speech, rhythm, dynamic, and the sonic quality of timbre and texture. Different styles or types of music may embrace or omit some of the elements. Music is performed with a vast range of instruments and vocal techniques ranging from singing to rapping. There are solely instrumental pitch, solely vocal pitch, and pitches that combine singing and instrument. The kind of music are rock music, jazz music, dance music, and many more. Number 5. Sport. Sport include all forms of competitive physical active or game which strong casual of organized participation and leads in part aim to use, maintain or improve physical ability and skill while providing enjoys to participant and in some cases entertainment for spectator. Sport can bring positive result to one physical health. Hundreds of sport exist, from those between single contestant through to those with hundreds of simultaneous participants. Either is term or company as individuals in creating sports such as racing. Many compete simultaneously or consecutively with one winner in order. The contest is between two sides as attempting to exit on the other. Some sports allow a tie or draw in which there is no single winner. Others provide tie-breaking methods to ensure one winner and one loser. A number of contests may be arranged in a tournament producing a champion. Many sports make an annual champion be arranged games in a regular sport season followed in some cases by playing the item that I think special is. The item that I think special is vape. This is vape. The first time a vapor came in Indonesia, you can said to have entered in 2010 and began to be widely discussed and as well as the popularity of the vapor around 2030 and then 2015. There are quite a lot of vapor user in Indonesia and user remotely among teenagers. Vapor itself in Indonesia does not have regulation which is clear, especially from the BPOM. The vapor tool itself has their part. The first is called mode. This is mode. Our engineer for the vapor is the second tip is automeasure. This is automeasure. Weight is a tool for heating liquid. and this is liquid. And inside the atomizer there is a water component to heat the liquid from steam, and then there is a liquid, solid a liquid, which is a liquid that can create steam. A liquid itself has a variant of flavor, so it is interesting and has many flavors, so as fruit flavor and cheese flavor, as well as food and beverage we often meet every day. In the liquid, there is a nicotine content from 0 mg to with 12 mg, which most people take bus. Most liquid are manufactured with using 3 mg or of liquid. Because of this vaping, I can quit smoking. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.